Now for something that's commonly misunderstood. This is a magazine. This is a 30-round magazine for an AK-47. This is a clip. Magazine, clip. Know the difference. A lot of people get these mixed up. They'll say, give me a clip when they're asking for a magazine. Or they'll say, oh, it can handle a 30-round clip. Well, no, that's a magazine, not a clip. This is a clip. Now, you may be wondering what this is and how this works. And I'll show you. I brought that one specifically because it goes to the SKS. A clip is used for loading an integrated magazine. This lines all the bullets up, so all you do is push and take the clip out. Now this gun is loaded. If I pull the bolt back and release it, it will put one round into the chamber. So, just like that, and it's now loaded. I did put the safety on just before I loaded it. We have a bullet in the chamber. We have 9 rounds in the integrated magazine. So, clips are reusable. You goes down. Can put bullets back onto a clip. And all I'm doing is there's a little spring-loaded piece here. I'm pushing that down with my thumb to get it out of the way. Sorry, it's not easy for you to see this. Try it this way. Try pushing it down with my finger. And slipping the bullet on. And I'm going to reload this whole one. I did not bring an 8mm clip for the rifle because 8mm clips are hard to find. Most of them came out of Germany during World War II. They are stamped with Nazi insignia, which makes them a collector's item. Though why anyone would want to collect Nazi stuff, I do not understand. I mean, other than, you know, it's a interesting war piece, but I know people that collect actual Nazi stuff, and that makes no sense.